Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can reply a thank you message in WooCommerce. So let's get started. Go to the dashboard. And now from the button section, menu bar, click on the plugins button. And now click on the activate the shop magic. So first you have to download it before, so you can activate it here. You have to download the plugin shop magic, so you can activate it here. Now after activating, go to shop magic and now click on the all automations button. After that, click on the add new button. Now write the title and select the event. Now click on the add new action button. So here write the description. Now click on insert block button. Paste the message, the thank you message that you want to send. So you have to paste it here and set accordingly. And then click on the save button. So that's how you will reply a thank you message in WooCommerce. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.